Hello everyone. Today we will see what is common gate stage. In common source amplifiers and source followers, the input signal is applied to the gate of the MOSFET. It is also possible to apply the signal to the source terminal. Look here, in a common source stage, if we see the common source stage, it is something like this, where we have RD and input is applied to the gate. This is Vin, VDD, and output is taken from drain end. This is Vout. This is common source stage. What about the source follower? Source follower is, we have RD, this is like this, and we have RS, and from this point the output is taken and input is at this point, at the gate terminal. Therefore, we can say that common source amplifiers and source followers, the input signal is applied to the gate. Here it is applied to the gate, output is taken from the drain. For source follower, input is applied at the gate and the output is taken from the source. It is possible to apply the signal to the source terminal. A common gate stage senses the input at the source. Common gate, if you see, it senses the input at the source and produces the output at the drain. The gate is connected to a DC voltage to establish proper operating conditions. Let us see how is the common gate circuit. Look here, common gate stage. See, for common source and source follower, the input is applied over here. For this, output is taken from this. For this, output is taken from the source end. Whereas for the common gate stage, you have the input applied to the source terminal and output is taken from the drain end. And some bias voltage is applied to the gate terminal of the transistor. If you see the input-output characteristics for Vin greater than or equal to VB minus VTH. VB is the bias voltage over here and VTH is the threshold voltage. M1 is in the off state. When M1 is in the off state, we have output voltage is equal to VDD. See, it is clear from the graph also. For Vin greater than or equal to VB minus VTH, M1 is off, and what is the output voltage? The output voltage is VDD. For lower values of Vin, we can write ID equal to half mu n Cox W by L. The same saturation current expression, VGS minus VTH whole bracket square. VGS we can write it as VB minus Vin, VB minus Vin minus VTH whole bracket square. If M1 is in saturation. If M1 is saturated, we can express output voltage as Vout is equal to, what is Vout? It is VDD minus the drop across the resistance RD. VDD, the current flowing through RD is half mu n Cox W by L, VB minus Vin minus VTH whole bracket square into the resistance RD. Now, obtaining a small signal gain, how do we obtain the small signal gain? We obtain the small signal gain by differentiating this with respect to Vin. Dou V out by dou V in is equal to, this at least is 0, minus half mu n Cox W by L 2 times VB minus Vin minus VTH into the differentiation of VB is 0, the differentiation of Vin is minus 1 minus dou VTH by dou Vin multiplied by RD. since dou VTH by dou Vn is equal to dou VTH by dou VSB, that is equal to neta, we have dou V out by dou Vn is equal to this 2 will cancel out. Now this minus sign if you take outside and this minus sign will be positive, we can write the expression as mu n C ox W by L RD VB minus Vn minus VTH into bracket 1 plus neta, because neta is dou VTH by dou Vn. And what is this expression? This expression is Gm into bracket 1 plus neta into RD. This is the expression for dou V out by dou Vn, small signal gain. We will derive the expression for the small signal voltage gain using the small signal equivalent circuit. This is the common gate stage. It is same as this circuit. Only thing is the transistor is flipped and it is placed like this. We have the input voltage applied at the source terminal and output is taken from the drain terminal, and there is a bias voltage at the gate terminal. Now the small signal equivalent circuit, how can we draw? This is a gate terminal, this is a source terminal, this is the drain terminal. Gm into V1 is a current source. Similarly, with the channel length modulation and the body effect, we get R0 and GMB into VBS. Since this is a source terminal, from the source RS is connected and then we have Vn, and then we have the RD, and in the small signal equivalent circuit VD becomes 0, that is grounded. Therefore RD can be flipped and can be placed like this. This becomes the small signal equivalent circuit. Even this bias voltage will be grounded for the gate terminal. Therefore we get the small signal equivalent circuit like this. Let us try to derive the expression for that. First let us find what is a current through RS. Current through RS is equal to, what is current through RS? RS is this and RD is this. What is current through RD? Actually this is V out, this is RD. If the current flows like this, it is V out divided by RD. Now in this direction, if you take the current, it is minus V out by RD, and the same current flows through the RS. Therefore the current through the RS is minus V out divided by RD. Then we have V1 plus drop across RS plus Vin is equal to 0. So if you apply KVL to this loop, V1 plus drop across RS plus Vin is equal to 0. The same thing can be written as V1. What is a drop across RS? Current through RS multiplied by resistance. Current through RS is minus V out divided by RD multiplied by the resistance RS plus Vin is equal to 0. Or the same equation can be written as V1 is equal to V out divided by RD into RS minus Vin. Let us call this as equation number 1. Moreover, the current through RO is equal to, what is current through RO now? We need to find out what is a current through RO. When we get the current through RO, then we will get the total voltage drop within the loop. With that, we will find the equation for the voltage gain. Current through RO is the total current minus these two currents. What is the current flowing here? The current flowing here is minus V out divided by RD. Minus this current minus this current. Minus GM into V1 minus GMB into V1. So now we can write R0 into bracket. This current will give you the drop across this plus this drop plus V in will give you the total output voltage V out. So we are taking V out between this point and the ground. This drop plus V in, which is equal to V out. Now R0 multiplied by the current through R0, which is minus V out divided by RD minus GM V1 minus GMB V1 minus the drop across RS is the current through RS is minus V out by RD multiplied by the resistance RS plus V in, it is equal to V out. Let us mark this as equation number 2. Substituting equation 1 in equation 2. Substituting equation 1 in equation 2, we have what we are substituting. We have equation 1 as this. Substitute this V1 here and then simplify it. R0 minus V out divided by RD minus GM plus GMB. Take GMB as one part and V1 will be common, and write the expression for the V1. V1 is given as V out into RS by RD minus V in. That is this part. And these two expressions as it is, minus V out into RS by RD plus V in is equal to V out. Let us continue. Now from this expression, we have to expand this expression. What I will do is I will expand this expression first in the next step. R0 into minus V out divided by RD. That is, first term is as it is. The second term is multiply this GM by this, GMB by this. We will just expand. Minus GM V out RS by RD minus GM into V in plus GMB V out RS by RD minus GMB into V in. So expand GM V out RS by RD minus GM V in, GMB V out RS by RD minus GMB into V in. The remaining part as it is a continuation, minus V out into RS by RD plus V in is equal to V out. Now take all V in terms on one side and V out terms on one side. Take a V in as a common factor and also V out as a common factor. Let us do that. This is a mathematical simplification. V in term on one side, take V in common. We get R0 RO GM plus RO GMB plus 1 equal to V out on the other side. Take all V out terms on one side with a V out as a common. plus RO by RD, 1 plus RO by RD plus GM RO RS by RD plus GMB RO RS by RD plus RS by RD. Now V out by V in is equal to GM plus GMB RO plus 1 divided by 1 plus RO by RD plus GM RO RS by RD plus GMB RO RS by RD plus RS by RD. This can be simplified as GM plus GMB RO plus 1 divided by, take RD as LCM, RD plus RO plus GM RO RS plus GMB RO RS plus RS multiplied by RD. This is equal to GM plus GMB RO plus 1 divided by RO plus GM plus GMB RO RS plus RS plus RD multiplied by RD. So this is the voltage gain expression V out divided by V in. We are getting it as GM plus GMB RO plus 1 divided by RO plus GM plus GMB RO RS plus RS plus RD. Next, we will see what is the input resistance of common gate stage and its small signal equivalent circuit. Now, can you analyze the small signal equivalent circuit? What is the input resistance? Input resistance is the resistance seen from the input terminal. Where is the input terminal of the CG gate? It is at the source end, and we are seeing the resistance from this end. So whenever you have to measure the resistance, we need to introduce the voltage source Vx, and because of that the current Ix is flowing, and this part remains as it is. This is grounded, and similarly RD and VDD is grounded. Now we have to solve this circuit, small signal equivalent circuit, to find out what is the resistance. Now from the circuit, from the equivalent circuit, small signal equivalent circuit, we have what is V1, as already we have done, it is minus Vx. If you flip Vx, it will be minus Vx. Similarly, VBS is equal to VB minus Vs, that is equal to 0 minus Vx, it is minus Vx. Now, the current through R0 is equal to, what is current through R0 now? The total current is Ix minus these two currents will give you current through R0. The total current Ix minus, see here, GMV1 is, the direction is downwards. Similarly, GMB VBS, the direction of the current is downwards, but the flow of the current of Ix is upwards. What we are doing is, we are flipping this current source upwards and this also upwards. So the polarity of GMV1 becomes minus. When you flip this, the current value will be minus GM into V1. Again, when you flip this will be minus GMB into VBS. That we can write GM V1 minus GMB VBS. This is equal to IX plus GM V1 plus GMB VBS. Substituting, V1 is equal to minus Vx, we have current through R0 is Ix. Now we are substituting V1 equal to minus Vx, Ix minus Gm into Vx minus GMB into Vx. This equal to Ix minus Gm plus GMB into Vx. Now we can add up the voltages across RO and RD as, what is Vx? Vx is the voltage applied at this point, and because of that Ix is the flow of the current. Our next step is to add the voltages across RO and RD. Let us write that RD into Ix plus RO. And what is the current flowing through RO? It is this current. Ix minus Gm plus GMB Vx. This is equal to Vx. Now simplify this and find the expression for Vx by Ix. RD Ix plus RO Ix minus Gm RO Vx minus GMB RO Vx, it is equal to Vx. Ix into bracket RD plus RO, it is equal to Vx 1 plus Gm RO plus GMB RO. Therefore, Vx by Ix equal to RD plus RO divided by 1 plus Gm plus GMB into RO. This expression can be written as this expression is equivalent to Vx by Ix is equivalent to, I am splitting it into two parts, RD divided by Gm plus GMB into RO plus 1 divided by Gm plus GMB. If Gm plus GMB into RO is very much greater than 1. See, what we have done here is, this is RD plus RO divided by 1 plus Gm plus GMB into RO. This is split up into two parts, RD divided by this plus 1 divided by Gm plus GMB under the condition Gm plus GMB into RO is very much greater than 1. This is the expression for the input resistance of the CG stage. Now what is the output resistance of the CG stage? What we have to do for the output resistance? We have to introduce a voltage source Vx at the output point. Where output is taken from the drain point, and there we are introducing the Vx voltage source, and because of that the current Ix is flowing. Now what is this circuit? This circuit is nothing but it is a common source stage with a source degeneration, and the equivalent resistance of this part of the circuit, that is CS stage with a source degeneration, is this 1 plus Gm plus GMB RO into Rs plus RO. Now we have the load resistance RD, and in the small signal equivalent circuit, if you see here, RD is connected to ground. Therefore, we have Rout is equal to this part of the resistance parallel to RD. That will give you the output resistance of the CG stage. That's it. Thank you.